Once he sees this boat, he's gonna dart.
Okay, play him in, Jake. I got you. He's not gonna drag you in now. Try to get it where you're gonna go with it. Side. Get him back to the left here. Right in. There you go. Seen him yet? Old horse. Slowly pull up. You see how big he is?
Oh my gosh. Your arm's getting tired? Yeah. Yeah, it's been about 10 minutes so far.
10 minutes, yeah.
Got him hooked good because he's. He took off again. Hey, just remember, every time he does that, he's getting that much more tired. You're about to wear him out. Don't give him any slack. Don't give him any slack. Woo! Jake, you might need your own fishing show. You're almost there, buddy. There you go. Pull him up, pull him up, pull him up.
Slowly pull him up. That's it. Partner, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to get up here and hold that fish up right here. Dad's going to get up there so the sun's behind him.
Jake,
Probably 38 feet.
you worn out?
Yeah.